209.
नैवायमानन्दमय परात्मा सोपाधिकत्वात् प्रकृतेर्विकारात् कार्यत्वहेतोः सुकृतक्रियाया विकारसङ्घातसमाहितत्वात्
The 5 sheets were described. Pancha Kosha, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya and Anandamaya Kosha. At each level of the Kosha, it was pointed out how each of the Kosha cannot be I, the true I. The contrast was drawn, and based on contrast, it was shown that none of the 5 sheets can be Atma, the pure awareness principle, the Chaitanya Tattva, the Chit Tattva. Question arises, then what is Atma? What is I? What is not I is negated. बाद में कुछ रहता है क्या? The student himself is asking, oh Guru, when all the 5 sheets are negated, I don't find anything. I don't find anything at all. So how is it? Let us see now. Now, after Panchakosha Viveka, what needs to be done? What is Panchakosha Viveka? Ascertaining that these 5 sheets cannot be Atma. So they belong to which category? Anatma category. They cannot be the Atma as such. That is Panchakosha Viveka. Based on Shruti. And which Shruti? Taittiriya Upanishad. What needs to be done further?
Panchanapi koshanam nishete yuktita shrutehe tannishedhavadi sakshi bodharupo vasishyate. पंचानाम अपि कोशानाम श्रुतेः युक्तितः निषेधे and कृते तन्निषेधावधि साक्षी बोधरूपः अवशिष्यते. Again, पंचानाम अपि कोशानाम श्रुतेः युक्तितः निषेधे and कृते तन्निषेधावधि साक्षी बोधरूपः अवशिष्यते.
When this discrimination, Viveka, is effected, completed. What is that? Panchanamapi koshanam, of all the 5 sheets, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, koshanam, Shrutehe yuktitaha nishedhe krute. Nishedhe krute means when all these 5 sheets are negated or refuted as not Atma. They don't fit in the category of Atma. So that is what Nishedhe Yukti. How Shrutehe yuktitaha krute, when it is affected based on the yukti, reasoning of Shruti. What is the reasoning of Shruti? Panchakosha viveka. First, ascertain what the kosha is and then draw the contrast with the Atma Swarupa. They cannot be Atma. So, Nishede yuktitaha krute. Yuktaha nishede krute. There is alternate reading. In the place of Shrutehe, krite is there. In that case, it is simple. Koshanam yuktitaha nishedhe krute. And that yukti is with Panchakosha Viveka of Taittiriya Upanishad. Then, what remains? Tan nishedhavadihi sakshi. Tan nishedhavadi. That is, you go on negating and you should go to a point wherein you can't further negate. Annamaya kosha is negated as not Atma. Pranamaya dismissed. Manomaya not Atma. Vijnanamaya not Atma. Anandamaya not Atma. Which Maya remains up to? Anything to negate is there? No. That is avadhi. That is the sima, boundary beyond which you can't negate. Then you got Atma. Tan nishedhavadhihi means you are negating each of these koshas. Is there someone who is aware of this negation? Is there someone who is aware of this negation? Yes. उसको भी हटा दो. Negate that one also. To negate first you don't know what that is. You know there is something, but you don't know what exactly is that. Suppose says, Tan nishedavadi means tad badhadisthana bhutaha sakshi. The sakshi, the one who makes you aware of negation of all the panchakoshas, as these cannot be Atma. Sakshi. Sakshi means one who makes you know directly that none of these can be. See, when you are negating, are you not supposed to be aware of that negation? Otherwise, how can you negate? So that, this cannot be. This cannot be Atma. This kosha cannot be Atma. This kosha cannot be. You are aware. Annamaya cannot be Atma. Manomaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Annamaya cannot be Atma. But Sakshi, the one who is aware of negation of all the five, there is no sixth kosha. So Tanadashi says, do you know what is? Bodharupaha avashishyate. Bodharupaha, only Jnana Swarupa, Nirvishaya Bodha Swarupa. Bodha Swarupa means one who is totally free from Vishaya. Panchakoshas, in which category do they fit in? Vishaya or Nirvishaya? Vishaya. The object is something. Well, how do you say it is object? Perceptible. Either directly through the sense organs or through the mind. For example, Anandamaya kosha, Priya, Moda, Pramoda, they are not directly perceptible through the sense organs, but mentally Sakshi Pratyaksha. Mentally you can certainly know them. So that is the case. Bodha Rupaha Avashishyate. Whatever that principle remains as the cognitive factor which makes you aware of all the Panchakoshas and also none of these as the Atma, that principle is what? Atma, free from five sheep. Same thing. That itself is the main Atma, is further elaborated.
योऽयमात्मा स्वयं ज्योतिः पंचकोशविलक्षणः अवस्थात्रय साक्षी सन् निर्विकारो निरञ्जनः सदानन्दस्वविज्ञेयः स्वात्मत्वेन विपश्चिता। अन्वय यः अयम् आत्मा स्वयं ज्योतिः पंचकोश विलक्षणः अवस्थात्रय साक्षी सन् निर्विकारः निरञ्जनः सदानन्दः, और there is an alternate reading तत्स्वरूपः in place of सदानन्दः, सः विपश्चिता स्वात्मत्वेन विज्ञेयः। Again, यः अयम् आत्मा स्वयं ज्योतिः पंचकोश विलक्षणः अवस्थात्रय साक्षी सन् निर्विकारः निरञ्जनः सदानन्दः और तत्स्वरूपः सः विपश्चिता स्वात्मत्वेन विज्ञेयः।
Again, in the earlier stanza, Tannishedhavadi vastu. Now you must know one thing. Annamaya kosha depends on Pranamaya kosha. Pranamaya kosha depends on Manomaya kosha. Manomaya kosha depends on Vijnanamaya kosha. Vijnanamaya kosha depends on Anandamaya kosha. Anandamaya kosha depends on some principle. How will you know it? Find out Panchakosha started from where? Aithariya. There it is. Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. Last time I have given you Pakshi Kalpana. See? These 5 koshas are compared to a bird. So the right arm, left arm, head, trunk and tail. So now it's in the Annamaya kosha actual one. Annamaya kosha tail means whatever that is below the waist region. Don't say human being has got a tail. So that is it. But in the Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya, this Pakshi Kalpana is imagined, not our imagination. It is whose imagination? Shruti's imagination. And tail is supposed to be the basis, adhara for the thing. So tail is very important for direction, etc. Tail is very important. So that is the case. Now here in the Anandamaya kosha said, Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. Not actual Pucha. Don't try to find out some tail there. It is called Brahma. Pucham eva Pucham. Just as Pucha is the basis adhara, so is the Brahma is the Adhishthana. Tannishedhavadi, avadi, final basis of negation of all these. What is that? Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. Chaitanya Swarupa Atma Brahma. That one, Bodha Rupaha Avashishate. That is Atma. Yaha Ayam Atma, who is Bodha Rupaha Avashishate, was told in the earlier verse. And what is his nature? Swayam Jyotihi. Swayam Jyoti means Swaprakasha Tattva. And what is the Swaprakasha Tattva? Swaprakasha Jnapti Tattva. knowledge principle. You should know, once I have taken this Swayam Jyoti aspect. Swayam Jyoti, Parat Jyoti. Parat Jyoti is what? Now look, you are listening to me. How do you listen to me? With the ear. Ear is able to listen provided the mind is able to function and back up the ear. Mind functions because of what? Buddhi. Buddhi functions because of Chaitanya. So therefore, Chaitanya Tattva, Jnana Tattva is there. Buddhi as a faculty of knowledge functions. Buddhi functions, mind as faculty of knowledge functions. Mind functions, sense organ hearing ear functions as a faculty of listening. So therefore, ear, mind, buddhi are what? They are not Swayam Jyoti. They depend on different things. So therefore, Swayam Jyoti means itself the knowledge principle. That is, Swayam Jyoti Panchakosha Vilakshana, distinct from 5 sheets. None of these 5 sheets can be this Chaitanya Swarupa Atma. What is it? How can you verify? Avastatraya Sakshi, you can't miss it. It is the one which makes you aware of 3 states of consciousness. What are those? Waking state, dream state and deep sleep state. Avastatraya Sakshi San Nirvikaraha Niranjanaha. So Nirvikaraha Niranjana. So one who is Avastatraya Sakshi. Again San Sat Nirvikaraha. It is Sat, ever existing principle. Ever existing principle. Nirvikaraha. Nirvikara means Vikara Shunya. No change is possible whatsoever in that. Vikara Shunya. Niranjanaha. Literally, Niranjanaha means Nirlepaha. Unstained, untinged. In the sense, what is called as Swachha. Now this Swachha is a little bit technical term. Literally Swachha means what? Clean, pure. Is the type of thought. What do you mean by here Swachha yourself? See, entire Jagat is superimposed on Atma Brahma. But none of the features of superimposed Jagat can what? Pollute or stain Atma. It is clear like this. Snake is superimposed on rope. Is the rope undergoing any change or affected by any features of this thing? Is it? The snake also, the rope also gets fangs and the poison. Is it? No. It is called Swachha. Means one which is not tainted by features of Adhyastha. That is, none of the features of Adhyastha can, that is contaminate the Adhisthana. This is the rule. Adhyastha cannot contaminate the Adhisthana. Otherwise, we know what will happen. Jagat is superimposed on Atma. Jagat is subject to birth and death. Atma will be subject to birth and death. Jagat is subject to Vikara. Atma will be Vikari. Jagat is nothing but full of sorrow. Atma will be full of sorrow. No. It is called as what? It is called Niranjanaha, Nirlepaha, unstained, untainted, means not tainted by Upadhi or Adhyasthati. Sada Anandaha. Always Ananda Sarupa. You are Kada Chitka Ananda. Ananda, because you are smiling. Smiling is without. Can Ananda be there without smiling? No. Some punya. Past punya is there, therefore is there. So therefore, moment to get up, ayo, that problem I have to way. That Ananda went away. Not kadachitka. Kadachitka means at times. Sada ananda. So it is not like that. Some people are there, no? Relatively they are always happy as well. But it doesn't take much time for them to be sorrowful. I thought walking there, leg got twisted and got sprained. Ayyo, 1 week at home. So that's what it is a different thing. So not that way. So here, that's not relative happiness. Here, there is no occasion to be sorrowful. Why? Sorrows are on account of what? Upadhi. You can have sorrow on account of in the waking state and the dream state. Then in deep sleep state, no sorrow. That is the best thing. Ananda Swarupa. Yes. There is no sorrow, but you are going to get subjected to sorrow. Do you know why? Cause of sorrow is still there in the deep sleep state. What is that cause of sorrow? Ajnana. And how long you are going to be in deep sleep state? Until your sleep punya gets over of that day. That's why sometimes afternoon you took a nap, then what? That punya got over, but still some sleep is there and you sleep in the class. You sleep in the class. That also because this Swami shouts that punya is not sufficient for you to continue for a long time. You have to get up. So that is how it is. So that means that way. No, not that way. There is ajnana is there. Again the person is going to get thrown into potential sorrow. And that I say. So here, this is not that way. Sadanandaha means Ananda Swarupa Nirupadika. No source of sorrow are present in the Sadananda. Saha Vipashchita. Vipashchita means Viveka Kushalena. One who is adept in conducting this Panchakosha Viveka. Vipashchita by Viveki. Viveka Kushalena. Swatmatvena Vidneya. That Atma, that's what? Swatmatvena. Swatmatvena means Swarupataya. As one's own Swarupa, one has to Vidneya, Sakshat Kartavya. Should be directly? No, directly. So this way, what did Guru do? He said, I am going to tell you now, Atmanatma Viveka. And 5 sheets are described, each of the sheets, how it cannot be Atma over there, and whatever remains, that Bodha Swarupa is your Swarupa. But the Shishya could not gain the knowledge. On the contrary, he was facing a problem. So he poses before the Guru his problem. Shishya Uvacha.
Shishya Uvacha. Nityavena nishiteshu. Kosheshveteshu panchasu. Sarva avam vina kinchit. Tapashyamyatra he guru. Vidneyam kimuvatvasti. Swatmanatma vipashchita. Anvaya. He Guru eteshu panchasu kosheshu mityatvena nishidheshu atra sarva सर्वाभावं विना किंचित न पश्यामि। आत्मा और अल्टरनेटिवली अत्र विपश्चिता स्वात्मना किमु विज्ञेयं वस्तु अस्ति। अगेन, हे गुरो एतेषु पंचसु कोशेषु मिथ्यात्वेन निषिद्धेषु अत्र सर्वाभावं विना किंचित न पश्यामि। आत्मा और अत्र विपश्चिता स्वात्मना किमु विज्ञेयं वस्तु अस्ति।
Hey Guru, he is posing his doubt. By negation, he tries to discover what can be the Atma Swarupa, and he could not find anything concrete as this is at the Atma Swarupa. Oh Guru, eteshu panchasu kosheshu mithyātvena nishidheshu. When these five koshas were negated as what? Not Atma. How? Mithyātvena. Mithyātvena means being false in nature. Why? They are born, they get subjected to destruction. Whereas Atma is unborn, ever existing principle. So these are false in nature. With this discovery, Nishiddheshu, he says, Atra means after the Panchakosha Viveka, when I negated all the five koshas as they cannot be Atma. Sarvabhavam vina, sarvasya abhavam vina. All that I find is absence of everything. I don't find Atma anywhere. Somebody complains, if I open the eyes, I see the world. If I close the eyes, I see the darkness. I don't find Atma anywhere. Understood? With your eyes open, what you see? Entire Jagat. When you close the eyes, darkness. Or you see Atma. Darkness. Where is Atma? Nowhere Atma. How do you say so? All the five sheets are negated. And what is that? Sarvabhavam means absence of everything. Again, five sheets stand for entire creation. When entire creation is dismissed, I don't find anything. See, I don't find. Na pashyami. Better translate as I don't see. That means you are seeing that you don't see. Is it not? I don't see means what? You are seeing that you are not able to see anything. उधर ही पकड़ना पड़ेगा. That's the answer, right? If the कश्चित न पश्यामि, I don't find anything at all. No. Atra is the Nishedavadi. And what is that? Except one thing. Sarva bhavam vina kinchit na paschami. Except the absence of everything I don't find. What does it mean? I do find what? Absence of everything. Is it not? Means you are aware of something. And what is that something? Absence of everything. Let us see after. Okay? Therefore he says, O Guru, say, Atra means at the end of Panchakosha Viveka, Vipashita means by Viveka Pushavena, a person who is adept in the Panchakosha Viveka, he says, Kimu Vidneyam Vastu Asti. What is the thing that is to be directly known? Vidneyam, Sakshat Kartavya. What is the thing that needs to be directly known? According to Shishya is what? He finds absence of everything. So what is that to be known? That is the question. First, this Guru is a nice Guru. He doesn't shout, "You idiot! I taught you so much and still you are not understood." He congratulates the Shishya. You have thought it properly. You are right. But one thing you told. What is that you told? Abhavam vina na kinchit pashyami. That means sarva bhavam pashyami na kinchit pashyami. Two things you pashyami are told. What is that? Absence of everything and nothing else. Means absence of everything only yourself. That is enough. We can ascertain Atma. Sri Guru Vacha.
Shri Guru Vacha Satya Muktam Tvaya Vidvan Punoti Vicharane Ahamadi Vikaraste Sadabhavoyam Apyanu Swayam nanubhuyate Tamatmanam veditaram Vitti buddhya susukshmaya Anvaya Vidvan Vicharena निपुणः असि
विचारणे
निपुणः असि त्वया सत्यम् उक्तम् अहमादिविकाराः ते अनु अयं तदभावः अपि सर्वे येन अनुभूयन्ते यः स्वयं न अनुभूयते तं वेदितारम् आत्मानं बुद्ध्या सुसूक्ष्मया बुद्ध्या विद्धि. Again, विद्वन् विचारणे निपुणः असि त्वया सत्यम् उक्तम् अहमादिविकाराः ते अनु अयं तदभावः अपि सर्वे येन अनुभूयन्ते यः स्वयं न अनुभूयते तं वेदिकारम् आत्मानं सुसूक्ष्मया बुद्ध्या विद्धि.
Vidvan means what? A wise person. So you are wise. Why? He means it's not a flattery, because you have thought, not simply taken notes and followed. You have thought it properly. You are right in continuing. As I taught you, you have also conducted the inquiry. Otherwise, no, take the notes, keep that piled up at home. Satisfaction that I have taken the notes. And when you, suppose sometimes you feel, when you open, problem. You know what is the problem? They say, when you write 2 notes, and afterward only 1 note. Who is is that when you write, you know and Bhagavan knows. And when you take for reading, only Bhagavan knows that you also don't know because so you just scribble as well. No, you see, taking notes also is a knack. You know why? You should not miss the link of what is being taught. At the same time, you have to. All can't do that. By the time they write one sentence, three sentences of the speaker have already gone as well. It won't work. It is a knack. It has to be started from college days also. It has to be started from college days also. It is a very, very effective. You know why? It is just like what a cow does. What a cow does. What? Have you seen cow grazing? In a hurry, it just eats. And afterward, it relaxes. And what they do, what is called as conchewing. It brings, it has got a faculty. It has got a faculty. If you do good, you will have to, because all acid will come and you will have to vomit afterwards. Not that. It has got a faculty of what? Bringing it back and then masticating. That Bhagavan has created that as well. So like that. First, in Shravana, you grab. Afterwards, you do manana. You just listen. Or you should have a knack. Salient point, you note down. And when you read it back, by law of association, what is taught flashes in the mind. There are some people, they take certain point, and afterwards at home, they elaborate the note. That is a better way. Anyway, that depends on the individual. Next, vicharane nipunaha asti. In conducting the inquiry, you are very clever, you are very skillful, adept one. He says, why? Tvaya satyam uktam. What is told at the end of Panchakosha Viveka, I don't find anything that is right. That is Tvaya Satyam Uktam. Tvaya Satyam Uktam. So what is that Satyam Uktam? See, that also shows the student gets confidence. Suppose the Guru shouts, Gadbad. He may drop the inquiry and leave it. I think I am not meant for this. That is what Prajapati did with Indra and Virochana. Indra and Virochana went to Prajapati to gain Brahmajnana. Because they heard a statement that Prajapati has made in the royal court, one who has got this knowledge gets free from sorrow, gets free from samsara. They went. And after 32 years of Brahmacharya life, he taught. And he said, this is what it is. And he also told, if you have not understood anything, please ask. Both of them thought that they have got the Atma-jnana return. Virochana straight away returned kingdom and said, body is Atma, he said. From the way Indra would make out, some gadbad is there. Body cannot be Atma. He comes. Like that, 5 times he comes and finally he gains the knowledge. So why did not Prajapati say, you are not understood? Do you know who they are? One is the Asuradhipati, other is Devadhipati. They are king. And in the court, not separate teaching was there. They say, you have not understood means what? They are going to get insulted. Once insulted, mind is not available for this. That's why they yes, what you have inquired is correct. Okay. And then he gives a direction to make him know what Atma is. Okay. So that Aham, now one thing you tell me. You are not able to see or find anything Atma. But please tell me, until you conducted Panchakosha Viveka, were you aware of Panchakoshas? Yes. Annamaya Kosha you knew, Pranamaya Kosha, maybe you may not know the name. Might have told you this is called Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, but you knew all these things, is it not? And now, based on my teaching, you have conducted the inquiry. And now you have come out with that finding that I don't find anything except the absence. Now tell me, are you aware of the absence of this? Are you aware of the absence of this? Sarva bhavam vina na kinchit pashyami. You are aware of that, is it not? What is that principle because of which you are aware of it? Can you objectify that? That is all. He can't deny now. So that's why I say, ahamadi vikaraha te tadabhavayoho abhavaha ayam ahamadi vikaraha te anu ayam tadabhava. These two things. What are those? Ahamadi vikaraha. All the changes that I, etc. Ahamadi vikara, ahankara comes under the Vijnanamaya kosha. Means all pancha koshas, their changes, their modifications, are you aware of them or not? Yes. Then now, anu means paschat. Thereafter, you conducted the pancha kosha viveka. Ayam tadabhavaha. This absence of what? Absence of all this ahamadi vikara. Te means here earlier experience. Panchakoshas, which includes ahankara also, which you had experienced earlier, and now you have negated them. You are seeing only the absence of them. Tadabhavaha. All these api also sarve yena anubhuyante. By which principle you experience? Is there some principle? Is there some principle because of which you are aware of Panchakosha and absence of these or not? That principle. So, yat swayam na anubhuyate itself cannot be an object of experience like Panchakosha or the absence of the Panchakosha. Tam veditaram atmanam susukshmaya buddhya vidhi. Tam veditaram atmanam vidhi. Know that as what vedita. Vedita means so knower principle. The one because of which you are able to know, that knower principle, vedita, veditru, veditaram, atmanam vidhi, know it. How? Susukshmaya buddhya. By the means of what? Susukshma buddhi, very subtle intellect. Very subtle intellect means an intellect which is nirvishaya and ekagra. Nirvishaya and ekagra. Susukshma buddhi. You know, buddhi, how it becomes gross? What is that grossest thing? In the creation, what is the grossest? What is the subtlest? Grossest is Prithvi and subtlest is Akash. How do you determine? Grossest has got all the five gunas. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Subtlest is only one. That is what Shabda, Guna, is it not? So when the Antakarana is Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandhamaya, what happens means when these cognitions are there, it is gross. None of them, Nirvishaya, it is subtle. Even Shabda is not, that means most subtle. So therefore it is Susukshmaya and also Ekagraya Buddhya Vidhi, know it to be so. what is told now is being further established. Okay. So what is to be known? That principle because of which you know Panchakosha, and because of very same principle you are able to know the absence of all these. That is what is Atma Swarupa. It cannot be known as an object. Now what happens? If it is known as an object means you are the knower, and we are talking of the very basis of the knower principle, subject itself. So it is further established.
तत्साक्षिकं भवेत् तत्तद् यद्यद्येनानुभूयते तस्याप्यननुभूतार्थे साक्षित्वं नोपयुज्यते। अन्वय यत् यत् येन अनुभूयते तत् तत् तत्साक्षिकं भवेत्। अननुभूतार्थे तस्य अपि साक्षित्वं न उपयुज्यते। Again, यत् यत् येन अनुभूयते तत् तत् तत्साक्षिकं भवेत्। अननुभूतार्थे तस्य अपि साक्षित्वं न उपयुज्यते।
यद्यद् येनानुभूयते तत् तत्साक्षिकं भवेत्. A principle. What is it? Whatever that is experienced by anyone, of all those, the one who is experiencing is the illuminating principle, the knower of them. Tat sakshikam. See, look, you are hearing now. You are hearing. Now you are the knower or the hearer of what is being heard. Suppose you don't hear. Can you be the hearer of what I am talking? You may say, so how is it possible? We are sitting in the hall and it is possible. You are sitting in the hall and your mind has gone for a walk on Juhu Beach. Something is banging on the ear, but it doesn't make sense. Why? Mind is not there. Now you are hearing, you are listening, means you are the one who is the knower of what is being taught. Is it not? Understanding is not just a different thing, but at least you are hearing what is being taught. Is it not? So that is it. Yad yad yena anubhuyate. Whatever that is experienced by anyone, tat tat, all those things, tat sakshikam bhave. Tat sakshikam bhave means that person becomes a sakshi, means knower of all those. Simple. Whatever you know, the one who knows is the knower of that. Accepted? Now, what did you say? Sarva bhavam vina guru na kinchit pashyami. Except the absence of everything, I don't see anything. Means you are the sakshi, the seer, the knower of all the absence of everything or not. That is what it is. So you are seeing sarva bhava. Sarva bhavam vina na kinchit pashyami. Other than the absence of everything, I don't find anything. Means you are seeing, you are aware of absence of everything is not. Yes, that's not enough. So that means that abhava that you know, by whom it is known, that drashta is what? Atma. One by which you know the absence of everything, that knower principle is what? Atma. Can you deny that? So you already given the proof. What is the proof? I don't find anything other than the absence of everything. Means absence of everything you are aware of, you are seeing. So that is what it says. See that means tat sakshikam. Tat sakshikam means tasya sakshikam. Who sakshikam? The one who is aware of, one who knows the absence of everything. So that is the case. How do you say so? You can't be the knower of what is not known by you. Are you the knower of French language? Unless you have learned. No. But suppose a person has learned French language. He is the one who is the knower. Means you can't be the knower of something unknown thing. Accepted. Atma you don't know. But do you know absence of everything that you have already told me? That principle because of which you are able to know the absence, that is Atma. This whole the very knower principle. So that is the principle is, no, the rule is tasya ananubhutarte, with respect to a thing that is not experienced, tasyapi sakshitvam na upayujyate. Nobody cannot be sakshi, the knower of the thing that he has not experienced. Is it? Do you become the experiencer of the things which you have not experienced? You know what will happen? If that is the case, if you become the knower of whatever that you have not known, you know what will happen? All students in the 12th standard of CET will be number 1 only. And that also how much? 10%. Why? Without study, they know everything. No. What you have studied only you will know, provided you don't forget. That also problem is. Provided you don't forget. What you have not studied you won't know. You won't know what you have not studied. So that's what you have not experienced, what you have not known, you are not the knower of them. You are told, what is that? Sarva bhavam vida nakinchit pashyami means sarva bhavam pashyami. I am seeing the means experiencing the absence of everything. That principle because of which you are experiencing, that is what you, because without knowing, without experiencing, one cannot be the experiencer knower of anything. Ananubhutarte, na anubhutarte. With respect to the thing that is not experienced, no one can be the sakshi, the knower principle. So that being the case. So now what is Atma Tattva? That principle because of which you know the absence of everything which is not known by other objects. That is what Atma Swarupa.
असौ स्वसाक्षिको भावः यतः स्वेनानुभूयते अतः परं स्वयं साक्षात् प्रत्यगात्मानचेतरः। अन्वय यतः असौ स्वसाक्षिकः भावः स्वेन अनुभूयते अतः प्रत्यगात्मा स्वयं साक्षात् परम् इतरः न च। Again, yataha asau स्वसाक्षिकः भावः त्वेन अनुभूयते अतः प्रत्यगात्मा स्वयं साक्षात् परम इतरः न च.
After param we add brahma. After param we add brahma. We'll see next.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी येषोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि